Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Ned's Garage. Now, if this is your first time joining us here, please hit that subscribe button and also toggle on that little bell. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Don't worry about that just yet though. Today, we're going to be looking at the old whippersnipper, or brush cutter, or weed whacker, or edger, whatever you want to call it, right? They're always a pain in the neck when it comes to the trimmer line, rightio. Now I've got this Tanaka 4-way manual feed spool, right? Where you wind it all around and then as it wears, you just move it to the next notch. Never been happy with it because I always use my whizzer on full bickies, right? And it just runs too hot. The nylon line melts together and I can never unfeed it properly. Pain in the neck, right? So I'm just going to be fitting this fully manual single piece spool, right? It's going to be real simple. I'm going to show you how to change it. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we go. I've got it up on my workbench now. I've just got it sitting through my vise so that it can't fall off the bench while we're working on it, okay? So the first thing we need to do is find how to lock the head, alright? So if we turn it around, you'll see there's a hole in there, okay? And that's where we lock the head with a pin, alright? So just get a pin punch, roll the head around until you can see the hole and lock it, okay? Alright, now on this particular unit we've got a split pin just as a safety. Okay, got a split pin out. Put our pin punch back in our hole and now we undo the main nut, alright? So it's probably going to be a left-hand thread, so we'll try that first. Yep, it is. Alright, so we'll take him out. And there we go. Our head's off, okay? So there's our head. We can fling it over a rainbow. And we're left with our boss, our arbor, and our bottom boss. Okay, so there's everything there. So now we're just going to open our new unit, okay? The manufacturer of this unit was kind enough to give us adapter ferrules so we can fit it on basically anything, okay? So let's sit him in there, pick an adapter that fits the arbor. Which in this case will be this one. Alright, so I have a slight problem here. This adapter just isn't quite big enough inside to go down around the flange on the arbor, okay? So what I need to do is just enlarge the hole in it a little. So that's okay. We can do it. Let's just see what size we're working with. Okay, so we need to make a 10.6 and at the moment it is 9.8, okay? Alright, let's just put him in the vise and modify it. Alright, trusty step drill. In from that side. In from that side. That's him. Cool. Now we can put it on. Alright, so we put it on there like that. Put our adapter on. Put our tension washer on. Get our nut back out of here. Remember left-hand thread. Put our pin in to lock our gearbox and rattle it up. Like that. She's on there, okay? Now I'm just going to put the split pin back through. Just give him a bit of a straighten. And back through the hole. Like that. Okay, cool. Oh, there we go. Now, let's just flip him over. How about we just clean up all this old nylon line that's on here? That's wound up because of the old head. Melted itself together like that. Throw it in the trash. Alright, we're good to go, guys. So how about we try it out? Alright guys, well, let's give it a test run, shall we? Here's our new head, okay? So it's pretty easy to feed the cord in. Just go straight in like this. Alright, another end in like that. Bam. Make them even. And out through the side. Like that. Same thing again. Like that. There we go. Rightio, and they're captive in there. Nothing to come undone. Let's give it a jam, eh? Get me shirt all nice. Right, goes good. It's even got a lot more power because it's not spinning such a heavy head, right? So once the cord wears out, I'll show you how to change it. Just keep a little pair of mini pliers in your swag. Just grab it like so, reef it out, pliers back in the old skyrocket. Grab another pre-cut piece and away you go again. This seems fiddly, but certainly saves going through what I used to go through, with it all tangling up, melting together and whatnot. Oh, it was a bloody nightmare. Like that, we're good to go again. So there we go, guys. Our new trimmer head's fitted, works even better than the other one. Who could want more than that? So I guess that's it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. Please keep liking and sharing, and hey, might as well subscribe as well. Check us out on our socials at Gosson Media. Make sure you like and follow us there. That's it. See you next time.